Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. Don't mind the background right now. My office is a mess. But I filmed the Shein or Shein, however you want to call it, haul and realized I didn't do an intro video. So here is my intro video. Guys, I'm showing you guys a handful of graphic tees that I got from Shein, and I like to call it Shein, but I'm pretty sure it's Shein. So we're just going to call it whatever I call it. If I call it Shein, Shane, then that's just what I'm calling it. I might just switch it up when I say it. But I got a handful of things from them and of graphic tees. For some reason, I've been really getting into graphic tees and also trying to be more comfortable and happy with my body. So I got a handful of swimsuits that I'm excited to show you guys. So stay tuned, keep watching if you want to see some awesome new stuff that I got from them. I got a handful of stuff, y'all, you'll see. And I only ended up having to return, because I like to try things on. And then with Shein, you're allowed to return stuff if it doesn't fit. So my thing is, I return it if it don't fit. Why keep it if it don't fit? And that's what happens when you shop online. Sometimes things just don't fit. So some things didn't fit. And I'll show you guys in this video what I ended up returning because it didn't fit me the way I wanted it to. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys haven't checked Shein out, you should, because their deals are freaking, like their clothing and stuff like that, so inexpensive. Plus they have Afterpay, which is so nice. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright, we're going to start off with the graphic tees. Don't mind what's on my arm. I was testing out a new, tattooed numbing cream. Anyway, and then I had to put saran wrap over it, and it kept coming off, so it was kind of annoying. This was a design that I absolutely loved. Kind of reminded me of like a tattoo that I have and another one that I want. I did end up keeping this one. I'll let you guys know which ones I keep and which ones I got rid of. But yeah, that one is super comfy. I love this one. I love black and green together. And of course, I love the whole alien thing. Totally my vibe. And these are just seriously so comfy. This next one is so goofy looking. I did end up keeping this because this is just going to be perfect when I go out skating. Yep, if you guys didn't know, I'm getting into skating, and it'll be nice to have something loose and just comfy to wear my padding and stuff underneath. Yeah. The shirt over the padding, because I wear padding. Gotta have protection. So anyway, this one didn't work for me. It just didn't fit me in the right areas. I like the design on front. I love the witch hands and stuff like that, but yeah, I returned that one. This one is by far my favorite one that I got. I love the splattered paint bleached look, and I wore this one all day. You'll probably see me wearing it in another video, and I absolutely loved it. It was so freaking comfortable. And yeah, this one obviously did end up keeping. I did keep. I love butterflies, and I loved the marble kind of look on this, and I thought it was just adorable. If you guys hear my cat meowing in the background, I apologize. She's driving me a little nuts. But I wanted to show that you can get these shirts and kind of either tuck them in or tie them to the side. It looks super cute. This one is my second favorite or my first favorite. But it says, I like 1990. I was born in the 90s. If you were born in the 90s, I was born actually in 1990. So if you were to, let me know down below. I'm wondering if anyone has the same birthday as me. Well, of course my twin sister does, but this one I thought was so much fun, but I ended up returning it because sometimes when you get that really thick print on the front, then you can feel it on the other side, and it was just kind of not comfortable. The Whisper Words of Wisdom Let It Be song I actually sang in choir, so when I saw this I absolutely was like, oh my gosh, no way, I love it, it's so cute. And yeah, it just wasn't as comfortable as the other ones. Just like this one, I thought it was so much fun. I love the holes and stuff, but it did not fit me really well, and I feel like the orange just didn't really look too flattering on me, so I was kind of bummed that this one didn't work because like I said, I really love the holes and stuff. But yeah, this one was so much fun. I was wondering if I wanted to keep it or not, but I love the design. It's got a skull on it. Best believe, I love it. Plus I have a tattoo idea that's somewhat similar to this one too. I was holding it in back like that just to show you guys that these shirts can be like tucked in, tied, or like, yeah, tied up front or knotted. This one I was sad because online I love the look of it, I love the color, I love the design, but it just looks so weird on me, and these sleeves were so comfortable but not flattering whatsoever. As you can see, I look like I have wings, but I was so sad this didn't like fit well because, like I said, I love the colors and it was pretty comfortable, but just looked very funky on me. This is probably my third favorite one. It says every time miss you. I don't know if that's a saying that someone is, if it's a good song or something like that, but this one definitely kept. I love the fit, super comfy. I love the color. The whole every time miss you thing does kind of remind me when Hunter goes to his dad's house, and I always tell him like every time you're gone I miss you. So I did recently get another one in this, but it's a camo one, and it says the same thing, and it's adorable. So the next one, love this one so much. I can't remember what it says specifically, but if you guys can see what it says on the screen, then be sure to read it. But I really was super happy, as you can see, because this one fit really well, and it's totally like my aesthetic, I guess you can say. It's got the skulls and, the sun, and I love black is like my favorite color, All right, on to the bathing suits. Okay, so I'm going to try on some. I got a handful of swimsuits from them, like I probably already mentioned. So this one is super cute. I loved the galaxy and the stars. Oh, cute! I didn't realize that it had like a little constellation on it. Cute, 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 cute. So I will show you what this looks like. I'll show you what all these look like on the website right here, so it's a bit easier for you to see, kind of like the layout of it or whatnot. Looking at this one seems like it's going to be a bit big. The bottoms look like they're going to be absolutely massive, but I'm going to go ahead and try this on, and what I'll do is just right before I show you all of the swimsuits on, I'm going to show you them on even if they don't fit, maybe, unless they're like really bad. But I'll show you like what they look like on the site, and then I'll show you what they look like on me, and then see if they actually fit. Okay, this is way too huge. So look how adorable the back is. The back is super cute, but the top, as you can see, like you can see under boob, it comes out here and it just looks so big. And okay, I'm gonna tell you guys, don't mind, I just had to get together. Today's Father's Day. After the fact that when I'm filming this, I'm bloated because I did have gluten and dairy today. I'm trying not to do that, but it's the reason why I'm bloated. But I just did get a new tattoo. I'm sure you guys will see that in another video. But it's just the outline. But yeah, still working on this area, but these are just way too big and have way too much room. I'm sad this one doesn't fit. Let's try the other ones on. All right, here is this one. So this is a high-waisted one, and I am not a fan of how like high it goes on me. I don't really think it's too flattering, but if it was like down here, I think it'd be cute. I do feel like the top, really does not fit my boobs too well, but if I'm just lounging out and I'm not really having people over, I'm okay with wearing something like this. And then it comes with a really cute, like, little pullover piece. So I like it. Matt approves of this one. So again, so I'm going to keep this one. I just won't wear it with the bottoms, I don't think. If I do, maybe I'll just like tuck it under like this or something. Or just get another pair of swimsuit bottoms that I like. But I'm embracing
my body, guys. This is a lot for me to come on here like this. I know I'm not, like, obviously, super fit or anything, but I'm trying to be more comfortable in my body, and I have issues with bloating and all that, so the stomach area has always been very difficult for me, but the back looks like, and then there's like these little ties up front, so it's kind of what it looks like if it was up more. Yeah, let's try another one. Okay, so the top of this one really does not fit my chest, but again, it's one if I'm lounging out in the backyard, when Hunter's at his dad's house and I want to just like maybe get a cute picture. I'm thinking about starting my OnlyFans up again, and then getting some pictures from Instagram or whatnot, my tattooed Instagram. This would be a nice one to get a picture in. If you are wondering the size of my chest, I am a 42 double D. So yeah, under boob for sure. It does not fit my chest well, but it's very, very cute. I like it. And the bottoms are like, they go up as like high. Like I like the height of this one. It's not bad. I do feel like I get some, I got a camera over here, so don't mind me. I do feel like I get some pretty good coverage. I feel like Matt would like this one, obviously, because it shows off the boobs. But yeah, it's pretty good. So this one I think is super freaking fun. Again, it does not fit me too on the top. I've got some under boob going on, and this one doesn't have that thing you can pull apart in the middle. It's just, you know, it's connected. The bottoms are like super big, just like the other ones, but they are like the high-waisted, which is like in right now. And then it comes with this like sheer, just like mesh top to it. I feel like going out to the beach or something, which I think this is cute. I don't really know if I can like pull it off. Again, I think it'll be really cute with some pictures, just like showing off my like tattoos or something. And then again, maybe this one would look cuter if I did, you know, pull it down just a little bit. You guys, I'm getting dressed in my next one, and I just wanted to say that Matt saw me in that last one and he flipped. He was like, damn, babe. Oh, okay, this one is a bit big. Okay, so sorry I'm talking to you and there's no one on the screen. But this one is the only one piece I got, but I thought I kind of like this. Like this one, I think if I wash it, it might shrink a little bit. The string on back is so freaking long. But I wanted to get this one because I thought it'd be nice to show off like the stomach tattoo. So this is the one piece. It's got like the clear part here. Okay, so I love the look of this one because I just like love the red and white. But again, I don't feel that this fits my chest really well, because if you could see the bottom, I feel like it'd be a little bit cuter. But yeah, I don't think it's really too flattering, you know.
All right, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, definitely subscribe and hit that like button, also that bell notification button, so you are notified when I upload next. Thank you for your support. It means so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo.